Listen up, you lot. You think healthy eating is only for those with Michelin star budgets? That's bollocks. It's time to ditch the takeout menus and learn how to nourish your body without emptying your wallet. We're going to show you how to shop smart, cook delicious, healthy meals, and stick to a budget. Get ready to transform your kitchen from a disaster zone into a haven of affordable, healthy eating. Right, you donkey. Listen up, because we're about to revolutionize the way you tackle your grocery shopping. Before you even think about stepping foot in a grocery store, we need a plan. Not just any plan, but a foolproof strategy that will save you time, money, and stress. A shopping list, you hear me? This isn't just a piece of paper, it's your blueprint for success. This isn't some haphazard stroll through the aisles grabbing whatever tickles your fancy. No, this is a mission with a clear objective. This is a military operation, and your shopping list is your weapon against overspending and unhealthy impulse buys. First, take inventory. Know what you already have so you don't end up with duplicates. What's lurking in the back of your fridge? Those forgotten items can be the key to your next meal. Use those sad, wilting vegetables before they become a science experiment. Get creative and incorporate them into your meals. Next, plan your meals for the week. This isn't just about dinner. Think about breakfast, lunch, and snacks too. Don't even try to wing it, or you'll end up with a cupboard full of crisps and regret. Trust me, I've been there. Write down each meal and the ingredients you need. Be specific. If a recipe calls for a particular type of cheese, make sure it's on the list. Stick to that list like your life depends on it. No deviations, no matter how tempting those end-of-aisle displays might be. No wandering off for those buy one, get one free chocolate biscuits. They're a trap designed to derail your mission. This is about discipline, people. Stay focused and remember your goals. A well-planned shopping list is the difference between a delicious, healthy week and a culinary disaster zone. Now get to it. Your future self will thank you for the effort you put in today. Listen, you wouldn't order a strawberry tart in December, would you? So why are you buying overpriced, out-of-season produce? Seasonal fruits and vegetables are your secret weapon for saving money. They're bursting with flavor and nutrients. And best of all, they're cheaper than a greasy takeaway. In the spring, load up on asparagus, spinach, and strawberries. Summer is all about juicy tomatoes, vibrant bell peppers, and sweet, refreshing watermelon. When autumn arrives, embrace the earthy flavors of pumpkin, squash, and apples. And in the winter, stock up on hearty root vegetables like carrots, potatoes, and parsnips. Remember, seasonal produce is often on sale, so keep your eyes peeled for those yellow discount signs. And don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen. Roast those vegetables, toss them in salads, or blend them into delicious soups. Eating seasonally is a gift to your taste buds and your wallet. Frozen and canned foods often get a bad rap, but let me tell you, they can be a lifesaver on a budget. Don't be a food snob and turn your nose up at them. Frozen fruits and vegetables are picked at their peak and flash frozen to lock in nutrients, making them just as nutritious as fresh produce, often at a fraction of the cost. And canned goods like tuna, salmon, beans, and tomatoes are pantry staples that can last for ages. Think about it. You won't be throwing away wilted spinach or moldy strawberries when you use frozen. And a can of chickpeas can be transformed into a delicious hummus, a hearty stew, or a flavorful curry. Don't be afraid to experiment. Frozen and canned foods are your secret weapons for creating delicious, budget-friendly meals without sacrificing nutrition. Listen, I'm not going to mince words here. It's time to rethink how we shop and what we value in the products we buy. We live in a world where marketing and branding often overshadow the actual quality of the items on the shelves. Sometimes those fancy brand names are just selling you overpriced packaging and a logo you could find on a billboard. Don't be fooled. The allure of a well-known brand can be tempting, but it's crucial to look beyond the surface. Generic brands often offer the same quality ingredients and taste at a fraction of the price. Think about it. Why pay more for the same product just because it has a recognizable name? The savings can add up significantly over time. Do you really need that designer pasta when the generic brand cooks up just as al dente? Pasta is pasta, and when it comes to cooking, the end result is what matters. Are those name brand canned tomatoes really worth twice the price when the generic ones make a mean pasta sauce? The flavor and quality are often indistinguishable once they're mixed into your favorite recipes. And don't even get me started on spices. Spices are a kitchen staple, and the price difference between name brand and generic can be staggering. Those tiny jars with the exorbitant prices? It's almost criminal how much they charge for a small amount of seasoning. Go for the generic option and season your food like a pro without breaking the bank. You'll find that the taste and quality are just as good, if not better. Remember, you're not sacrificing quality when you choose generic. In fact, you're making a smart decision that benefits your wallet and your lifestyle. You're being smart with your money. Every dollar saved on groceries is a dollar that can be spent on something more meaningful or saved for the future. So ditch the brand loyalty and embrace the generic aisle. It's a small change that can lead to big savings and a more mindful approach to shopping. Your taste buds and your wallet will thank you. By making this simple switch, you're not only saving money, but also making a statement against unnecessary consumerism. Enjoy the same great taste and quality without the hefty price tag. Now, I'm not saying you have to turn into a vegetarian, but incorporating more plant-based proteins into your diet is a brilliant move for your health and your wallet. Meat and fish can be expensive, but lentils, beans, and tofu are like the culinary bargains of the century. They're packed with protein, fiber, and nutrients, and they're incredibly versatile. Think about it. A hearty lentil soup can be a meal in itself, and it costs pennies per serving. Black beans can be transformed into veggie burgers, spicy burritos, or a flavorful dip. And tofu? Don't even get me started on the possibilities. It absorbs flavors like a dream and can be used in stir-fries, curries, or even scrambled for breakfast. Embrace the plant-based revolution and discover a world of affordable, delicious, and healthy eating. Your body and your wallet will thank you. Listen, buying in bulk isn't about hoarding food like you're preparing for a zombie apocalypse. It's about making smart choices that benefit you in the long run. When you buy in bulk, you're not just filling your pantry, you're investing in your future meals and your financial well-being. It's about being strategic and saving money in the long run. Think of it as a way to stretch your dollar further while ensuring you always have the essentials on hand. By purchasing larger quantities of items you use regularly, you can take advantage of lower prices per unit and reduce the frequency of your shopping trips. Think of it as an investment in your future meals. Planning ahead and buying in bulk allows you to create a well-stocked pantry that can support a variety of meals without the need for constant trips to the store. This not only saves you time, but also reduces the stress of last-minute meal planning. Items like rice, pasta, and other staples are perfect candidates for bulk buying. These items have a long shelf life and can be used in countless recipes, making them versatile and cost-effective. Beans, lentils, oats, and other dry goods are also excellent choices. They are nutritious, easy to store, and can be incorporated into a wide range of dishes, from soups and stews to salads and breakfast bowls. And nuts have a long shelf life and are significantly cheaper when you buy them in larger quantities. They make for great snacks and can be added to various recipes for an extra boost of protein and healthy fats. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're probably wondering how to store all these bulk items without a massive pantry. But chef, I don't have a pantry the size of a small country. Don't worry, you don't need a mansion to buy in bulk. With a little creativity and organization, even small pantries can accommodate a few extra bags of staples. Don't worry, you don't need a mansion to buy in bulk. Utilize storage solutions like airtight containers, stackable bins, and shelf organizers to maximize your space. You'd be surprised at how much you can fit into a small pantry with the right approach. Even small pantries can accommodate a few extra bags of staples. By keeping your pantry organized and regularly taking stock of what you have, you can ensure that nothing goes to waste and that you always have what you need on hand. And think about the satisfaction of knowing you're always prepared for a delicious, healthy meal without having to run to the store every 5 minutes. Having a well-stocked pantry means you can whip up a meal at a moment's notice, using ingredients you already have. Remember, buying in bulk is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about gradually building up your stockpile over time, rather than trying to buy everything at once. This approach allows you to manage your budget more effectively and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Start small, choose items you use regularly, and gradually build up your stockpile. Focus on non-perishable items that you know you'll use, and slowly expand your bulk buying to include a wider variety of products. Your wallet and your future self will thank you for it. By making smart, strategic choices now, you're setting yourself up for success in the future. So go ahead, embrace the art of strategic stocking and enjoy the benefits of a well-stocked pantry. There you have it. Eating healthy on a budget isn't rocket science, you muppets. It's about planning, making smart choices, and not being afraid to get creative in the kitchen. Remember, you don't need a Michelin star budget to eat like a king or queen. By following these tips, you can nourish your body without breaking the bank. Now get out there, raid those grocery store aisles, and show me what you've learned. And don't forget to subscribe for more culinary wisdom and budget-friendly hacks. Now go on, get out of my kitchen.